presentation. Hello everyone, personal information. My name is Diego. I am 23 years old and I am from Peru. I am currently studying law at university. And the same thing, I work a police officer in the National Police of Peru. Personal and Albild. I am responsible, disciplined, and hardworking person. I like learning new things and helping people. My family is very important to me and I enjoy spending time with them. Hobby. I am work under pressure, solve problems and communicate with different people. In my free time, I like listening to music and watch movies. My daily routine. My daily routine starts at 6 in the morning. I wake up, get ready, and go to work. During the day, I do my service as a police officer. After work, I study virtually at university. I attend online classes and do my own work. My breathing. Let me describe my breathing. Three is beat in the center of the room. Three is dick next to the bed, a chair in front of the desk. My room is clean and organized. My favorite city. Finding my favorite city is Cusco. It's beautiful tourist city in Peru. There are many parks, museums and schools. There is an impressive cathedral in the city center. The city is clean and peaceful. The people are friendly and the food is delicious. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. Gracias.